Hi guys, welcome back to Depth Chinese. 我係廖老師 Gloria. It's super cold lately. I would like to finish this quickly so that I could put on warm clothes. It's taboo to ask a woman's age in Western countries. So is it in China? But sometimes we would like to know someone's age so that we could know what kinds of topic we could talk about. Today we are going to learn how to ask age in Cantonese. Before we start it, I have to remind you to obey the rule. Always say women younger than how they look. Instead of asking age directly like 你幾多歲啊? 你幾多歲啊? or 你幾歲啊? 你幾歲啊? How old are you? 你幾歲啊? Normally it's just for kids, which is less than 10 years old. We could ask about their studies. For example, right now, you meet a girl who is like in their early 20s. You could ask, 你仲讀緊書啊? 你仲讀緊書啊? 仲 still 讀書 study. 讀書 here doesn't mean like read books. For read books, it would be 睇書. So 讀書, it has two meanings. First, it means like study. The other one, 讀書, it means like read books aloud. 你仲讀緊書啊? Are you still a student? Do you still study at school? If she answers yes, go ahead. Ask which grades is she in. For example, like 讀大幾啊? 讀大幾啊? Which year of university are you in? 讀大幾啊? So freshman is 大一, sophomore 大二, junior 大三, senior 大四. So easy. If she answers she is still in 高中 high school, then you could ask 讀高幾啊? Which years of high school are you in? Number 3, if this girl, she seems 25 to 26 years old, she has finished school and have worked for a few years. So you could ask 畢咗業未啊? 畢咗業未啊? 畢業 graduate, finish school. 畢咗業未啊? Have you finished school? She will be happy because she thinks she is still as young as a college student. So we could also ask 出嚟做嘢未啊? 出嚟做嘢未啊? 出嚟 come out. So it means like come out from school. 做嘢 work. 未啊? Yet? 出嚟做嘢未啊? Have you come out from school and have you worked? These two ways are really helpful because in China, most of us go to private school at 6 and then we will be 18 years old when we are freshmen in college. So you could always guess how old we are once when you know which school year are we in. The ways below are not suitable for every situation. So 你哋自己執生啦. If we meet some new friends, we can ask 你結咗婚未啊? 你結咗婚未啊? 結婚 get married. 你結咗婚未啊? Have you married? If they have, maybe they have more than 25 years old. When you met a cousin who you didn't contact for a long while, so you could ask 生咗小朋友未啊? 生咗小朋友未啊? 生 deliver 小朋友 kiss. 生咗小朋友未啊? Have you delivered a baby? Number 6, if you meet your girlfriend's mom, you could say something nice. For example, like 你睇起身好後生喎，有冇40歲啊? 你睇起身好後生喎，有冇40歲啊? 睇起身 look like 後生 young. 你睇起身好後生喎, you look like young. 有冇40歲啊? 40歲 40 years old. Are you less than 40 years old? Then they will tell you their real age. Like they will tell you 我50歲啦, 我60歲啦, something like that. So 我幾多歲? If I say 我18歲, I'm definitely lying. Actually 我20歲. Hope it helps you out. So try to practice it with your close friends first. If you like today's video, please give me a thumb up and also leave me a comment to win the lesson. If you would like to support me or buy me a bubble tea, you can go to my Patreon page to buy me a bubble tea. See you soon. Bye bye.